Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to unlock your Jaguar XF with its key. First, let's cover the standard method. Simply press the unlock button on your key fob. This sends a secure radio signal to your vehicle, instantly unlocking all doors. It's a quick and convenient way to access your car, typically working from a distance of up to 50 feet. Always ensure your key fob battery is in good condition for reliable performance. Sometimes, the key fob battery might be dead, or you might be in an area with signal interference. Don't worry, your Jaguar XF has a manual override. Carefully slide the small release button on your key fob to reveal the hidden metal key blade. Insert this blade into the keyhole, usually found on the driver's side door handle. Give it a firm turn clockwise, and you'll hear the satisfying click of the door unlocking. It's important to note that manually unlocking your Jaguar XF with the key blade might activate the car's alarm system. To disarm it, simply enter the vehicle and place your key fob into the designated docking station on the dashboard. This action should immediately silence the alarm. Then, you have about 12 seconds to press the start button and ignite the engine, preventing the alarm from rearming itself. To avoid emergency situations, it's wise to replace your key fob battery proactively. Your car might even display a smart key battery low message. The key fob typically uses a CR2032 coin cell battery. To replace it, gently pry open the key fob casing using a small, flathead screwdriver. Carefully swap out the old battery for a fresh one, ensuring correct polarity, and then snap the fob back together.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.